Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. If you're new, I always tell you guys, Long Island, New York, Zone 7A. So I got a speckled swan gourd to harvest, but I wanted to show you guys my bottle gourd and my speckled bottle gourd that's coming up. And today is a nice day out. It's not that bad. And I got Peppy hanging out with me right there. And we're still lucky right now. We got a garden going and we've still been harvesting a small amount of stuff though, not a lot. I've been harvesting tomatoes, pepper, lettuce, scallions and stuff like that. But today I'm gonna get another swan gourd. So let me show you how they're growing. Swan gourd, guys, they grow better in fall time. Fall time they grow really nice. And they're a really big plant, guys. They're a heavy feeder. They grow. Make sure you get space. They'll take over everything. So quick look on the outdoor garden right here. A lot of wind, a lot of crazy stuff, and then this guy tries to reach over and then pull my tomato plant out. And I told him, you pull the tomato plant out, you're not gonna get much tomato left back. So right here I got a nice bottle gourd coming up. These guys grow big, so I'll leave that on. The regular bottle gourd, these are not a speckle, these are the regular one you guys could see right there. So these guys are really heavy, but they grow big. You can see this one is still young, and it will grow. Bottle gourds, really delicious. Stir fry. You could grill them, or you could just feed it to my pet pig. He will enjoy it. And in the Caribbean, we call this the Guyanese squash, guys. Squash. So Guyanese squash, it's really good. We cook this up normally with some chicken or some shrimp. Oh my god, delicious. But you can see this one plant producing a lot. They're all growing right now. And then in the bottom over here we got a tomato plant back there, and right here. So this guy, you can see, shaped like a swan gourd right there. Looks like a swan. We're gonna harvest him. And you can see this one is here. We got another one there. We got some little ones and stuff. Look right here. So good indication. I always tell people, once it's shaped like the swan, you flip it around, you'll see this spot right here. You can see like it's getting lighter over here. Once you start getting lighter over here, or sometimes if you look, it's like darker green. I don't know if you guys can see here, but then you look like it's lighter here, and that's a clear sign that it's ready. And then what do? You come right here and you just cut it right there. And here got a beautiful swan gourd right there. I love it, guys, you know. And that guy, he's gonna be eating this, so that's his dinner and lunch tomorrow, right, Pepper? Is this yummy? Is this yummy, Pepper? Pepper, look at him. Yeah, he's funny. What are you doing, Pepper? Pepper, come on. Really, you're turning your back from me? Come on, Pepper. Who likes this? Who likes this? See that tail? Oh yeah. Who likes this? If I give him this, he's gonna grab the whole thing from my hand and eat it. And looking at that tummy, I try to get him on a diet. So hey, he's been munching a lot in the garden. There's a tomato right there. Look, this tomato would be like nothing for Pepper. Pepper, look, come on. It's like nothing. It's gone. Is that good? Yep, he loves it. So Pepper's what do you call, spoiled pig. The weather gets really cold now, so we take him in earlier inside. And I just wanted to show you, this is guys, this is behind of my greenhouse. You can see the bottle gourd plant. But these right here you can see is mustard lettuce, mustard greens. They're growing right here. So when these guys reach about 7 inches from the leaves, harvest the leaves basically. You pinch this out, and then the inner one will keep growing to speed it up. I had a couple more, they didn't make it. And then over here, something's been eaten. Something came, they were taking a couple bite over there, and basically they eat out that one over there. I don't know if they're gonna make it. Oh man, you can see right there, they've been eating, snacking. This one is looking a little bit, you know, better. I got right there. So these are pak choy, and they're coming around. Not sure if they're gonna make it or not. Depends on these bugs. I'm gonna be sprinkling some coffee grounds there later on. A lot of bugs hate coffee grounds. the used ones, so maybe that will help a lot too. I'm not trying to like push them back away. All right, guys. So if you're ever gonna cook a swan gourd or just a regular gourd, you don't have to peel the skin. What you could do is basically cut out the tip, cut out the tip part from the bottom and the top. Make sure you wash it out. If you're stir frying, you could cut it up in cubes, or if you're baking it with you could cut it up in cubes. But if you're gonna grill it, you could cut it up in circles, and they're really nice for grill. They taste really good. There's some seed in the bottom here. Leave one of your swan gourd for overripe. Get it overripe so it produce fully grown seed, and there will be a lot of seed. You get like over 50 seed from one of these gourd, and you could plant back for next year. Guys, I know there's a lot of people who make this into water bottle or pots and pan and handbag. I don't know. They make a lot of stuff with this thing. But if you're from the Caribbean or you know a lot of countries, this is a veggie. We eat veggies, so this is really delicious. So I never made anything besides stir fry or grill. So one day, and the other thing too, like Pepper would eat this. If Pepper see I made like a bottle or something, he will be really upset if I waste this. But I know we could always like cut it and get all the guts, and you gotta leave it in like room temperature to cure it for a while. So I don't know. One day I'm gonna try that, but for now we're gonna stick to eating. This one we're not gonna eat. This one is gonna be for Pepper. We're gonna be cutting it up for Pepper. So whatever is coming up right now is for my neighbors and Pepper. We're gonna give because we did had a lot. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. It was just a quick video. Wanted to keep you guys entertained, keep you guys still around, and show you guys it's not over yet. We still got more stuff. And I do have a bunch of peppers, and I have to prune some of the plants, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on in there in the greenhouse coming up next in Green Tea Garden. And if you guys have any question, guys, comment always below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.